What's up people, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to talk about Pinterest predicts or the upcoming trends on Pinterest for the year of 2021. Yesterday I received an email from Pinterest saying that Pinterest predicts is live. It was live a bit earlier, but I just was waiting for the official announcement from Pinterest in order to make this video. And I also noticed that not a lot of people are talking about this, so why not share some knowledge. Anyway, coming to the Pinterest Predicts website, it's basically a trending report that Pinterest has shared. Now this is not your general report that we are aware about or we are used to. Pinterest shares this particular report every year, and 8 out of 10 predictions of Pinterest are correct. So you might want to check this out if you're a content creator, a blogger, or someone who's just active on Pinterest. Another part I wanted to say is this report is not going to give you the general data the way we receive, like for example the demographics, the psychographics, the traffic source, or stuff like that, which we are actually used to getting in the report. This is an upcoming report, which means that this is something which Pinterest has predicted that people are going to go ahead and search for this particular ideas on Pinterest in the year of 2021. Let's have a look. Alright, so here we are. This is the email that I received from Pinterest. Future trends for 2021. You heard it first here. Basically, it's see what will trend in 2021. As I said, this is not a past report. This is going to be a future report. It's going to provide you the tags. Yeah, I do have so many browsers. I'm a freak in terms of browsers. Anyway, this is the website Pinterest predicts. Before you see it everywhere, see it here. People use Pinterest to find tomorrow's ideas, and in fact, as Pinterest says it over here, 8 out of the 10 predictions which they made last year were true. And if you guys were not aware, Pinterest actually shares this particular report every year, as I said earlier as well. You can start tracking it if you were not knowing about this one. Pinterest predicts isn't your typical trend report. I'm sorry for that. It's a not yet trending report, a window into the future from the platform where people go to plan it. So if you're planning the content, this is the best way. Now, I'm not saying that this is going to be useful for everyone, but you can always go ahead and check what is the content that you can make according to your niche on Pinterest. For instance, if we take what basically it's going to give you is it's going to give you the tags. And as we all know that the way to go on Pinterest is optimizing your profile, your group boards, your pins, basically based on the tags that people are looking out for. So as we entered this travel scenario here, and parking space is the new personal space. Sometimes you just need, so Pinterest is basically going to give you a summary of what exactly is it, and then it's going to provide you the trending search terms based on that particular niche topic, however you want to call it. You can go ahead and check out what are the trends which are useful for you, and you can go ahead and create the content or rework the content based on these particular trends or the tags, and add them on your Pinterest profile and optimize it. And just one more tip, that whenever you're adding it in your pins, try making video pins, because video pins have the largest reach right now on Pinterest. That's something which I have spoken about in my previous video. If you have not watched those videos, I'm going to link those videos at the end of this video. Anyway, coming to this light part, so neon is the next topic that I have opened here, and you can see the trending search terms for neon is neon room mirror with LED lights. So check if you can go ahead and create some content which is related to this or directly regarding this particular terms, and try adding them. I'm gonna check if there is something useful for me as terms of marketing. Anyway, I'll check it later. However, but there is a lot of content that you can do. Like for instance, there are a lot of moms on Pinterest. Parenting is a topic that you can talk about. Save a planet is the new playground. I like that copy. Anyway, trending searches for this particular thing is what exactly in terms of parenting, what is trending. So these particular cardboard toys, art, education projects, stuff like that, it's pending. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. check out. I'm gonna share this particular link in the description below, video description. So that was my video about Pinterest predicts or the upcoming trends which are gonna trend on Pinterest and how you can utilize your content, create content and go viral on Pinterest based on that. If you liked the video and if you found it helpful, please hit the like button. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, I don't know what are you waiting for. Please do subscribe to the channel and share this video with the people you know from maybe advertising, a content creator, a blogger, a YouTuber, because this is gonna be helpful for them. Start sharing right away. That's about it from my end. My social media links are in the video description as always. I'll see you the next time. Bye for now.